Listen now, my brothers, and you'll soon receive the prize of everlasting life. Just open up your eyes and thank our God for giving us His ransom sacrifice. But only if you'll open up your eyes. Open up your eyes, that's where the blessing lies. In the golden rays of truth that light up the skies. Hear the whispers of the Spirit guiding you each day. Thank Him for the mercy when you kneel down and pray. Watch out for the devil, for he'll tempt us every day. And if we compromise, then with our lives we'll pay. But God's given us His Spirit and He's showing us the way. Don't forget to thank Him when we pray. Open up your eyes, that's where the blessing lies. In the golden rays of truth that light up the skies. Hear the whispers of the Spirit guiding you each day. Thank Him for the mercy when you kneel down and pray. When Armageddon comes, will it pass over you? Or are you not quite sure yet as to what to do? Then look to God in prayer and He'll help to pull you through. Oh, how He'll bless you if you do. Won't it be marvelous when we don't have a care? Just sit beneath your own fig tree and breathe the spring-like air. And watch your children play with lions roaming everywhere. Oh, what a privilege we'll share. Open up your eyes, that's where the blessing lies. In the golden rays of truth that light up the skies. Hear the whispers of the Spirit guiding you each day. Thank Him for the mercy when you kneel down and pray. What about your loved ones that so quickly passed away? When they return from Hades, do you know what you should say? Tell them that they came to life in Jehovah's day, and begin to sing a new song. Oh, let it play. Open up your eyes, that's where the blessing lies. In the golden rays of truth that light up the skies. Hear the whispers of the Spirit guiding you each day. Thank Him for the mercy when you kneel down and pray. So listen now, my brothers, with your hearts open wide. Let the Spirit lead you, let Him be your guide. With faith and gratitude, your soul can surely rise. Find the everlasting life. Just open up your eyes.